I already add my water. So already, as you can see, I add my parsley with thyme and hot pepper. I already add my water. You see, I mean, sorry, my butter and the hot water after I fry it. Okay. So now I'm gonna cover it and let it boil. Um, After that, when it boils, I'm gonna wash my corn. That's the corn that I showed you earlier. I'm gonna wash it. Some people don't wash it. It's up to you, but I always wash it. Once or twice. It's up to you. And then after I wash it, when the water is boiled, I'm gonna add the corn into the boiling water. Okay, so I'm gonna let it boil. Um, Ground corn is very healthy, especially for people that wanna gain weight or people that like going to the gym. After going to the gym, you come home. That's what we Haitian people do when we go to the gym, especially for men. And you come home, you cook, or your wife or your children, anybody, or you can cook it yourself. Some it's a Madame Gugos. It's from Haiti. So if you come from the gym, if you wanna gain weight, it's very healthy. It's corn. You see, it's pure corn, and they ground it, and we cook it as like we make it like a hot cereal. And at the end, I'm gonna add onions. Some people they don't like it with onions, but I do like it with onions, and my children really like it. So I'm gonna show you the next one. So ground corn is very healthy, especially like I said, if you like to gain weight or you're going to the gym, you wanna have the muscles and everything. You can eat ground corn every day. You can eat it with puree, like we call it sauce pois, legume. So it's up to you. Me, I like it. I like it plain, and my children like it plain the way I'm making it, and my mother also like it plain. Okay, I'll be right back. As you can see, I already add my ground corn. It's boiling. It's cooking. It's almost done. I already add my salt, a little bit of sea salt, goya, and chicken flavor. Polo. I already add some. Okay. So now I already chopped my onions. As you can see, this is my chopped onions. You see, I already chopped it. Okay. And at the end, I add my onions. You don't have to if you don't like onions. If you're allergic with onions, if you don't like it with onions, you don't have to add onions. But I do like it with onions. But I usually add the onions at the end because I don't want the onions to be too cooked. You see, now, and I'm gonna mix it together. And you let it boil until it cooks. So I usually let it boil about an hour. It's up to you because I put it in low. You see, I put it in low fire. That's why I let it boil for an hour. Okay, so I guess that's it. See, ground corn with codfish. You see, and you can eat it with avocado. I don't like avocado, so that's why I didn't buy avocado. You can eat it with avocado if you like, or you can just eat it plain, or you can eat it with something they call sauce fries, like puree, black beans, or pink beans. It's up to you. Or my Miami beans, make like a puree. But me and my children would just like it plain. See? Ground corn, yum yum. And then I usually use a wooden spoon like this to mix it. You have to mix it. You have to mix it very well. You see? So I mix it very well. Mix and mix and mix. Okay. And then I'm gonna let it cover for another 15 minutes. Like I said, you have to put it in low fire. See? I put it in low, very low. Okay? Voila. I'm all set. See? The reason I make it soft because I like it plain. If you want to make it a little bit harder, it's up to you. But I make it soft because I'm gonna eat it plain. Just like this. Okay? it's like hot cereal, like when you're making hot cereal. For the measure, when we as Haitian, when we cooking, we don't measure. We already know the measure by head. Okay.